have this Delta Children's 3-drawer dresser. This is in the white color. The knobs are brushed nickel. Actually, to prevent kids from opening it, you can only open it if you use both hands and pull. If you try to open it just from one side, it actually doesn't open, which is a safety feature. All the edges are actually nice, soft, and curved. Even all of these edges are actually soft, so they're not sharp. They're not gonna snag on clothes or cut easily. It's a high quality material, well finished, so you're not gonna, it doesn't feel like cheap particle board or anything like that. It's pretty hefty. It's actually pretty heavy, not easy to move around. You do want to make sure it's attached to the wall to prevent any tip over, but like I said, it's not easy for a kid to open, so it's unlikely for them to kind of get in there. For me, another plus feature is the space on the bottom here. So if I were to park it over on that vent, it's okay, the air will be able to get out. Also, my vacuum can go under and vacuum and come back out. So it matches the other Delta Children's furniture in white that you can get, so it's the same white as the other ones. I will show you how to assemble this dresser next. So keep watching if you want to see how to assemble it. All right, these are all the parts. Taking them out of the box, and we're ready to build our dresser. So this is the point where you would choose if you want to have your tip over protection attached to the top or the bottom. So you can see the little screw hole in here. This is where your strip of cloth would essentially attach here, and then it'll go through and attach to the wall on the back. And you want to align this hole with the stud, and same thing in the middle of the bottom. So on the bottom here, same thing, you will attach this here, and then the strap will go to the bottom, and you want to align that with the stud. Once you have selected where to place your dresser and put the restraint system on the tip over restraint, you can go ahead and make the drawers. So you know, the drawers screw right onto the mounts or the sliders in the dresser, so it's kind of hard to take them off after you put them on. That's why they want you to do the tip over restraint before you put the drawers on. Now, if you haven't decided where you're going to put it, you could potentially put the drawers in and then unscrew to take the top one off to go ahead and put the restraint in later. All right, so for this one, you're going to use the screw LL. Now you're going to remove the sliders to attach them to the drawer. So you're going to push on here and then pull this. Once you do that, on the side here, on here, there's these tabs that you pull to remove it completely. And you're just going to attach this to the side of the drawer. So let's do that.